Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Joran Salawala. My full name Kyonsal. I want to speak today. I want to speak about the religions. Religions is the acts of Jesus Christ in the West Papua people is that on 1955 or 1,000 years ago, West Papua people they have life in the undergrounds from the developers and the judges. But right now they have accepted Jesus Christ, and the people of West Papua right now they're knowing about God, and they're knowing about the Bible. They're knowing about what the peace and the love, the resurrection, the Holy Spirit, the holy name is Jesus Christ. So we have in people have said Indonesian countries the 100% that's a Muslim country in the world, but in West Papua no. In West Papua is the Christian and minority. So we know where is it background. The first time is in the Western man is from the Germany. His name is the Geissler. They come in from the sea. They come in the long time. And for the West Papua is small island. Its name is Mansinam Island in the West Papua province. Right now they knowing that Jesus Christ's name is the word. They have the worshiping. They have a new life. Until today, they knowing it's West Papua is the Christianity. Okay, in the Indonesian government is not the first time is ejected for people, but first time is the religions, the Christianity of the West Papua. West Papua right now they have many of we not speak about the religion, custom, races. We speak not races about the religion, but we speak about the background of what the first time is West Papua people as they accepted Jesus Christ in the our motherland is the West Papua. So many of people say Papua people is the Christianity, but right now we don't know. Christianity is that we have a proof in the public places. For example, many people in the Indonesian people in the Western Indonesian West, they coming in the immigration, transmigration program coming to West Papua. We accept them that we live in life. We not, for example, you are Christianity, Muslim, in the Buddha, it is not. We are Christianity. We know Jesus said, "Love to your enemy." So we accept them, and many people are living in the West Papua. We are together people. We are people. You human. We live in the world. So people are saying that you're different culture, you're different race, you're black and white. But no, we West Papuans and we are another country. They're coming. Say, my friend, you coming. We are holding and we are building together in West Papua. So right now I'm speaking not political, but we speak of the humanity, society, human dignity, and then our life. Okay, so well today we are continuing. The second is what about the human development index in West Papua? West Papua people is many people are outside, and they say that they think in the West Papua is still primitive life. It's not fake. It's the opinion. Right now, it's a modern life. The people around the world they know in West Papua. Okay. Including in Indonesia, we have this country, and then other country they think it's West Papua is still alive in the primitive life, still alive in this. For example, like humans still alive in the underground, in the mountain, in the forest, in the jungle place. For example, they think. People are still fighting another tribal to another tribal. It's not fake because they know in the like media social. It's not fake. So right now in West Papua we are the second generation the first generation and second generation, we are many of the better knowledge. They know what about the protection to say in the modern life. So whoever you still confused in the West Papua, then please come in the West Papua and you look at this and what this the country over is the many of chains, the many of city, many of the district, many people as they know this day or life. And then please coming in the West Papua, you have time. In West Papua is a big island. You come in the many of our city, for example, Jayapura, and the Merauke, and the Soro, and the Wamena, and the Timiga. One of the cities of mining, resources mining, it's an American resources mining, the Timiga, is in West Papua. People think the West Papua is still alive, underground like this, full, they think. For example, cannibal tribal. No, we're human. They think one of the people. The many of the question in West Papua is why they are still not a modern life changed to their life. But I think they are not coming in the West Papua. It's the way I speak. It's not the fact of what they fruit in the West Papua. So I'm the exploration in my country, in the West Papua. We have a mission. I mean, we have a dream. We have a big dream to change our futures, our generation, our country, our motherland. In West Papua. So right now, province government and local government, they are fighting. I mean fighting, it's not fighting physically, but the fighting for change our life. It's mean that we want to change our country. First one is the education. But remember, right now, a new generation West Papua students in the world, all around the world, in Europe, in Australia, in USA, in Asian country, in American country, in Europe country, in African, in everywhere around the world, they studied fighting. They want to revolution. They want to change our country, West Papua. So many people say West Papua is still not. Yeah, I think they are full knowledge, a little bit of knowledge, but it's not fake. For example, we have the population that is the football club, one of the best in Indonesia, at the home of Asian. It's Frist Jayapura. It's very famous. You know, the Frist is in the Asian Games. They have this what they say in Indonesia that the fourth time they were winner. It's the facts. It's the football club. Number two, education. All right, our education is we have still fighting. It's the fight for us step by step. Next time, we have a big dream. Nelson Mandela said, "I have a dream for next time, next weeks." I mean, we have West Papua also saying, next generation. We have a dream for our generation. We want to change our life, our generation. So, another people also to say this West Papua is still like this, like this. It's not. But we have many of resources. We have many of jungles, many forests, many of food. So I believe next time we'll change. So we hope also that we have many of student are from Papua, many pilot, many doctor, engineer, many lecturers, very famous politicos. I mean, political in the central office. Like for example, they work in the capital city, for example, in Jakarta. I mean, we also able what is doing because we are human. What you say, what another people say, we spoke like this, but it is very motivation. It's I'm very happy. I'm not hungry, but listen, I'm very happy. Behind next generation in my West Papua. So next time, 10 year, 20 year, 30 year, 50 year, what happened in West Papua? We don't know. We're alive in the world. Thank you very much. I hope you must subscribe, comment, like, and very sorry what we speak if not different concepting. Please correct me. God bless you.